Animating whiteboard is one of the best methods for making narrative videos. This type of video has probably appeared on several social media platforms. This type of video can also be made without any prior experience with motion graphic or video editing. Yes, whiteboard animation can now be created in a matter of clicks thanks to artificial intelligence. Without further ado, let's get started if you want to begin your journey with whiteboard animation. I am going to create the whiteboard animation today using Canva. One popular all-in-one design tool is Canva. You can use a 30-day free trial or use it for free. Canva now has multiple AI features, making it more powerful. Canva just released a plethora of AI tools to streamline the process of creating content. Among them is Speed Paint, which I will use to create our whiteboard animation today. Okay, go ahead and search for Canva in a new tab. Click the first link you see after receiving the search result. In case this is your first visit to Canva, press the sign up button. This is how your dashboard will look after you create an account. We must first come up with a fresh design. Here you have the option to generate a custom design by entering pixel values or by selecting your preferred design type. I am going to make a new 1920 into 1080 pixel design. Once the value has been entered, select Create New Design and the creator page will appear. We now need to choose a concept. For instance, I want to create educational films for children that introduce the types of animals, which are pet animals, wild animals, and farm animals. Let's begin by giving the text tab a text heading. Next, enter a word pet animals after replacing the alphabet and adjusting the position. Consider different pet animals. We now need to upload a picture or sketch of different pet animals. Once you are on the Element tab, look up Sketch Cat. The Graphic tab contains a plethora of cat sketches. Just decide on one of them. You can choose between color and black and white. Once the element has been chosen, adjust its position and size. Add more animals. Give your designs plenty of time to produce better results. Alright, the first image is prepared. Let's go on to the second one now. To make a duplicate of the design, click the duplicate icon. Click on the second page by sweeping down. Enter a word wild animals. Add relevant sketches here. Make fresh pages and designs for each animals in this manner. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will stick to 3 pages. Once the design is complete, download all of the images as PNG files by clicking the share button. Alright, our designs are prepared. With these images, we will now create the whiteboard animation. In order to accomplish this, click the file button and choose Create New Design. Choose Video. Once you reach the new page, click the App tab and type Speed Paint into the search bar, making sure to leave no space between the words. Choose the Speed Paint tool now. The image that we wish to convert into an animation must first be uploaded. Now let's upload the initial design. Choose the FPS after the images have been uploaded. I will hold it at 60. Decide on 10 as the sketch's duration time. Set the color fill duration after that. Choose a fill time if your images contain color. If not, choose 0. Set the background color after that. I will stick with white. The animation of the hands comes next. Turn on the hand animation if you want it, otherwise leave it off. Next, activate the wipeout effect if you wish to add one. Once everything is in place, click the animate image icon. The image will take some time to animate. Now that we have fast forwarded the video, here it is. As you can see, the video page now has a new video clip. To view the video in full screen mode, click the 3 dots menu and choose Set as Background. Let's observe the outcome. That's a little long, but that's good. Let's customize it and regenerate it. I believe it is now flawless. To achieve an improved outcome, always experiment with the values. Okay, the first animation is completed. Let's use the second image to make an animation. Press the plus sign to add a new page. Next, select the choose file option under the speed pane. Tap to upload the second picture. I will not adjust anything because the current setting produced better results. After you click the animate button, our animation is prepared. Put the video on repeat. Create animation for each and every image in this manner. To make the video more engaging, you can include some additional footages at the beginning. Once everything is configured, click the share button and choose download to get the MP4 version of the video. We have finished our video. Let's examine this. That whiteboard animation video is really well done. A voiceover and additional elements can be added to create the ideal whiteboard animation video for kids' education. In the comment section below, please let me know if you would like a thorough tutorial on this. I will create an in-depth video. I really appreciate you watching, and until we meet again, happy creating and remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.